Freelancer Freelancer platform review usage experience. In this video, I'll be reviewing Freelancer, one of the largest and most well-established freelancer platforms in the world. Links to Freelancer's website and services are in the description below. Freelancer is designed for both businesses looking to hire skilled professionals and freelancers seeking job opportunities. The platform covers a broad range of industries, including web development, writing, design, marketing, and engineering, making it suitable for a variety of freelance needs. One of Freelancer's standout features is its vast pool of talent. With millions of registered users, clients can find freelancers with a wide range of skills, from entry-level to highly experienced professionals. Businesses can post projects, and freelancers can bid on them, providing flexibility in terms of pricing and project scope. Freelancer also offers a contests feature where businesses can post a project and receive multiple submissions from freelancers, allowing them to choose the best fit. For freelancers, the platform offers a steady stream of job opportunities. You can bid on projects, set your own rates, and create a portfolio to showcase your skills. Freelancer also has a membership system, with different tiers providing additional benefits like more bids per month, access to premium projects, and lower fees. The platform operates on a pay-per-project basis, with Freelancer taking a service fee from the freelancer's earnings, typically between 10% to 20%. One feature that sets Freelancer apart is its mobile app, which allows you to manage projects, communicate with clients, and track milestones on the go. The platform also provides secure payment options through milestone payments, ensuring that clients and freelancers are both protected throughout the project. In summary, Freelancer is an excellent platform for businesses and freelancers alike. With a huge talent pool, flexible project structures, and strong support tools, it's a great option for anyone looking to connect with freelancers or find freelance work. Check out the links in the description for more details. And feel free to share your experiences with Freelancer in the comments below.